Is your Xfinity 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi not showing up or working? This is a common problem often due to interference, outdated firmware, or incorrect gateway settings. The 2.4 GHz band, while offering longer range, is susceptible to interference from microwaves, Bluetooth devices, and neighboring networks. Start by checking your Xfinity gateway's status lights to ensure it's online. Then, use a Wi-Fi analyzer app on your smartphone or computer to identify potential interference on the 2.4 GHz band. Common symptoms include the network disappearing entirely or experiencing significantly reduced speeds. Access your Xfinity Gateway's admin tool by navigating to 10.0.0.1 in your web browser. The default login credentials are often admin for the username and password on the device label. Once logged in, go to Gateway, Connection Wi-Fi. Here, ensure the 2.4 GHz band is enabled. Try manually selecting a less crowded channel 1, 6, or 11. Disable band steering temporarily to force devices to connect to 2.4 GHz. If problems persist, consider resetting your gateway to factory defaults. Then reconfigure your Wi-Fi settings. Finally, keep your gateway firmware up to date. Xfinity often releases updates to improve band management and stability.